Sine, cosine, and tangent are the main functions used in trigonometry and are based on a right-angled triangle. Before getting stuck into the functions, it helps to give a name to each side of a right-angled triangle. Opposite is opposite to the angle theta. Adjacent is adjacent to the angle theta or next to the angle theta. Hypotenuse is the long one. Please see the diagram displayed. No matter what the orientation of the right-angled triangle, adjacent is always next to the angle, and opposite is opposite to the angle. Sine, cosine, and tangent are each a ratio of sides of a right-angled triangle. Sine theta is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. And tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Also, there is a relationship between tan theta, sine theta, and cos theta. This is tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. For a given angle theta, each ratio stays the same, no matter how big or small the triangle is. So, how to remember? Think SOHCAHTOA. It works like this. So, sine is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cosine is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. And TOA, tangent, is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. SOHCAHTOA. To complete the picture, there are three other functions where we divide one side by another, but they are not so commonly used. Secant function. Secant theta is equal to hypotenuse divided by adjacent. This is 1 over cos theta or inverse cos theta. Cosecant function. Cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite, which is inverse sine theta or 1 over sine theta. Cotangent function. Cotangent theta is equal to adjacent divided by opposite, which is 1 over tan theta or inverse tan theta. Example. Simplify the fraction secant theta squared minus cos theta squared, all divided by tan theta squared. We know some relationships, such as secant theta is equal to 1 over cos theta, cosecant theta is equal to 1 over sine theta, cotangent theta is equal to 1 over tan theta, and we also know tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. We can use these relationships to help simplify this fraction. Let's do this. First, let's take secant theta squared. We can substitute in for secant theta by 1 over cos theta. We now get 1 over cos theta squared take away cos theta squared, all divided by tan theta squared. Let's take the numerator and expand the brackets. We now have 1 take away cos theta to the power of 4 divided by cos theta squared, all over the denominator. Denominator tan theta squared, we can substitute in for tan theta. And now for the denominator we get sine theta divided by cos theta squared. And finally, by expanding the squared function in the denominator and dividing by cos theta squared, we now have 1 take away cos theta to the power of 4 divided by sine theta squared.